Alright, now that we have our featured slider, I'm going to show you guys how to change some of the options. Most notably, or under theme options, everything's controlled under slider settings. And the biggest ones are you can change between the three different types. So let's go over the changing from the default, which is full width, to the content slider. And let's save that option. And we're going to need to go to our pages, and we created those two slides. And if I refresh, the two images that I uploaded are going to be cropped pretty badly. You can either upload your images to be, since I uploaded them to be 1600 pixels wide, they're going to be cropped like this. So what we can do is I'm going to go ahead and upload the images that are actually formatted a little bit nicer. And there's a Photoshop template if you want to use that. That's the proper size so that nothing gets much better, so that nothing gets cropped for you. Oh well, we'll just leave the second image as that. So what I wanted to go over was how to add the text. If you wanted to, is just pretty simple. You just add the text like normal. You can add any shortcodes that you want. So in the live preview, I believe I was adding dark buttons. Like so. Pretty cool, really easy to mimic that live preview. Really cool options you can do. You can add a link on the image easily under page options. So let's go ahead and add a link to Google. Update it. Refresh this page. If we click the image now, it'll link us to whatever we want. You can link to a page that's already in your website or whatever you like. Full control over that. If you don't want a link, just leave it blank. Let's go to the next slide. And what I'm going to do with this slide is I'm going to go under page options, and I'm going to show you guys how to use a video. So let's go under, I actually have a Vimeo video handy. So it's pretty simple. You can use basically any video, Vimeo, YouTube, etc. You just find the embed code. So let's go ahead and copy this, close out, and we'll just paste it in. And all you need to do is change the width and the height. And I gave you what it needs to be right here, 400 wide by 255 tall. And let's update that, and that's going to be the second slide that we have right here, and our Vimeo video is now that second slide. And it's really easy to control and add images and video, zoomed in, for that content slider. So let's quickly jump into the third slider, which is a simple slider. And I'm going to go ahead and upload 2 new images for that. Oh. And set that as a featured image. Update this page. Then I'm going to update the other slide. This is just so that the images actually work, because I had formatted them for each slide individually. Okay, so let's refresh it, and now we have our featured slider. I see. In our featured slider, we had displayed buttons and stuff. You can't display that in the simple slider, so we can just update that. That was why there was that tiny glitch up there. So any text you type in the content, I'm actually have to continue this video on part 3.